Hello everyone. In this video, I wanted to show you all some of the different page background options that are available to you on Microsoft Word. So while you have your document open, if you come over here to the Design tab on your ribbon, and off to the right, you're going to see three options. You're going to see Watermark, Page Color, and Page Borders. Watermark is pretty cool. I'm sure you've seen this before. These are some of the options that are available. So you have confidential, do not copy, draft. There's also some other ones available online. You can even make a custom watermark as well. So let's just, for sake of discussion, let's go ahead and select confidential. Let's pretend that this gibberish on my document here is confidential, but you can see once I add that, it adds that watermark in the background. So once this document is shared or printed out, then that's going to be available on the document. So people know this is a confidential document. Now, if we come back over, we have the page color option where we can actually change the background of our pages. I don't think I've ever seen a page, because I'd probably use a lot of ink if you had to print this out. Imagine the whole back page is going to be blue or red. So that is actually how you change the page background. And then if you come over here to page borders, you've probably seen this when folks are printing out things like certificates. You can actually add a border around your page as well. So they have some different border styles. You can add shadows, 3D effects, all sorts of good stuff like that. But those are the different options that are available to you for your watermarks, your page colors, and your page borders.